Hello and welcome, everybody. Thank you for joining today's webinar, which is on a very interesting topic of virtual human modeling and simulation. So as most of you, I'm sure, are aware, today medical device development can be very time-consuming. It can take years for that matter, and it is also very, very expensive. Moreover, it still takes a long time for uh, devices, especially high-risk devices, to pass through the regulatory approval process. And these are considerations that most of our customers today have to deal with. Now, these numbers may differ depending on the device type and depending on, of course, which company you are and so on and so forth. But in general, these are the kind of numbers that we hear from our customers. Now, when we dig deeper into what's underlying this, so what challenges are they facing, there are several of them. I'll mention just a few of them today. Firstly, and most importantly, of course, is that medical device makers are under increasing pressure to demonstrate that their devices are indeed effective at treating the patient for whatever condition they may have, right? And so demonstration of proof of effectiveness is becoming more and more important, which of course becomes challenging and which leads into the fact that devices themselves are getting more complex in order to be able to be more effective and to actually achieve measurable patient outcomes. This then complicates the approval process because the more complex the device is, the more risk of failure and the more things need to be assessed in order to demonstrate safety of the process. Of course, at the same time, when things become more complex, it's hard to keep track of how they might function in the real world under all sorts of perhaps unexpected operating conditions, which could again increase the risk of adverse events. Moreover, there is a strong trend towards more personalization or customization of devices and treatments, which adds an additional layer of complexity for our customers. And all of this is really underpinned, or all of this then is increasing the amount of physical testing or validation that our customers need to perform to demonstrate the viability and effectiveness of their devices. And this could encompass lab or bench testing, it could be animal testing, it could be human testing, and so on. And so really here, what we're trying to achieve or help our customers do is to somehow reduce their reliance on physical testing by increasing more in silico, or what we call virtual testing.